Hey guys, it's Erica Elise, and today I'm here with an affordable neutral eye look. I tried to make sure that everything that I used today was under $20 because, you know, we all like to save some coins. So I hope you all enjoy this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye! Alright, jumping right into the video. First I'm going in with my NYX eyebrow pencil in the shade Espresso to fill in my brows. Then I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey to conceal underneath my brows. And I'm going to use this as an eyeshadow base for today. To use this to clean up underneath my brows, what I like to do, instead of taking another flat brush, I just make sure that I rub the applicator on the back of my hand to get it as flat as possible. And that helps me use it to clean up underneath my brows. Here I'm taking a JUNO & Company sponge to blend that concealer out. The first palette I'm going in with is the Warrior 2 by JUVIA'S, and I'm taking the shade Shawata and patting it into my outer corner. Then I'm going to take the next shade, Yoded, and lightly blend it on top of that Shawata shade to try to diffuse that black out just a little bit. Next, I'm going to dive back into that palette and take the shade Kufuru, and I'm going to blend that right next to that black shade we started with, and whatever is left on that brush, I'm going to blend it up slightly towards my brow bone. Then I'm going to dive into the first Warrior palette, and I'm going to take the shade Bakwa, and I'm going to blend that on the front part of my eyelid there. So once I've blended that onto my lid, I'm taking the shades Kufuru and Shawata, and I'm blending them across my lash line. I'm going to take my E.L.F. Poreless Putty Primer, and I'm going to start priming my face for my foundation. Next, I'm going to take my COVERGIRL Full Spectrum Foundation in the shade Deep Neutral 1, and I'm going to dot this all over my face and my neck. I'm going to take my Beauty Creations Peach Setting Spray and mist my face and kind of let that set in first before I start blending out my foundation. And with that same sponge, I'm going to use that to blend up my foundation. For concealer today, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Define and Conceal in the shade C12. And I'm going to go underneath my eyes, on my forehead, down the middle of my nose, a little bit on my upper lip and my chin. Then I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution foundation stick in the shade F16 for contour. For setting powders today, I'm going to use my Luscious by LYNN Cosmetics powder in the shade Medium Beige. I'm going to use that to bake my concealed areas. And while that is baking, I'm going to take the Deep Beige shade from that same company and set the rest of my face. And after I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and start dusting it all off. For my lower lash line, I'm going to take the Shawata, Kufuru, and Yodit shades and blend that up underneath there. Next, I'm going to dive in with my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. I'm going to take that contour shade and just dust that all over the areas that I had originally contoured on. Then I'm going to take the Saharan Blush Volume 1 and I'm going to dive in the shade Neo. And I dusted on the apples of my cheeks, and I'm a weirdo, so I put it on my nose too. For highlight, I'm going in with the Chantilly Cosmetics Honey Bunches highlight, and I took it on the inner corners of my eyes, but kind of dusted it just a little bit over my eyelid where I had placed that first metallic shade. And then I'm going to take it down the bridge of my nose. I'm going to take it on my upper lip and on the high points of my face. I went ahead and applied my lashes off camera, but they're in the shade Vegas from Crystal Lashes. And then I'm going to spray my face one last time with that Beauty Creations setting spray. And then I'm going in with the JUVIA'S Place liquid lipstick in the shade Lulu. And then that completes this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment anything that you all would like to see. I appreciate any and all feedback, and I will see you all next time. Girl, put your records on. Tell me your favorite song. Just go ahead, let your hair down. Ooh, 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 so far with faded dreams. Just go ahead, let your hair down. Hey guys, it's Erica Elise here, and I am here today with this neutral, sultry with a bold lip. Is that extra?
Yeah.
Take 4.
Stop stuttering.
I can't help it. And I just had some wine, bitch. I'm about to be.
Stop stuttering. Keep the same pitch tone. Take your time.
I am taking my time.
Mumble over here.
I can't talk. This is why I can't do these things.
You can talk.
Just put a blooper reel at the end of it.
Alright, go ahead.
Okay. Take 6. Action. Hey guys, it's Erica Elise, and today I'm here with a. What the fuck am I here with? I'm really trying. I am really trying here. I literally just had the craziest brain fart. I really don't know what happened just then. Alright, take 7.